देख दिल रजदानी हर अदा है।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
All of you have written your class and section and roll number.
Ma'am,
All of you have written. Now you have to
Yes,
join
ma'am.
the proper format.
Yes, miss.
I'm the
Okay. Good morning, all of you. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we
Good
will.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Today we will continue this chapter, The Happy Prince. Okay, let me ask you a few questions first. What is the meaning of garret?
Ma'am, a room on
Ma'am, a small home top
Dark
of the
room
house.
at the top of the house. Room in the roof.
Yes, a small room on the roof. It is an attic kind of a thing. Okay, Anushka, tell me the meaning of wither. Anushka?
Dry. Dries.
Yes, very good. Then Rishabh Ranjan, tell me the meaning of great. Grate, great.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, fireplace.
Yes, great means fireplace.
Fireplace.
Great also means to shred.
Fireplace.
But here in this, you know, in English, we have contextual meanings. Huh? Nothing grows on the infertile land. Nothing grows on infertile land. The aeroplane will land just now. So, different meanings, isn't it? The aeroplane will land just now. And nothing grows on the infertile land. The meaning of land is different in both the sentences. Is it different or is it the same? Hello?
Ma'am, different. Ma'am, different.
The meaning
Ma'am,
is
different.
different.
Second one meaning था जमीन.
One meaning is jameen and one meaning is
रहेगा.
come down and be stagnant, land. So that is why in English you have contextual meanings. Great. Great also has a different meaning, isn't it? We grate
Yes,
the
ma'am.
vegetables, उसको shred जो करते हैं. To make what you call Manchurian, you grate the vegetables. But here grate means fireplace. So in English you have contextual meanings. Words convey the meaning according to the context. The barking of a dog, the bark of a tree. Spelling, pronunciation, everything is the same, but meaning is different. Okay, then why did the prince tell the swallow to wait for the second night?
Because he wants to help a poor woman by giving a ruby from his
Second.
sword hilt.
That was the first
No,
night.
ma'am, he wanted to help a writer.
Advait Pandey. Okay. He wanted to help the writer. Okay. Why was the writer leaning on his desk? His head
He
buried
had
in
to
his
finish.
hand. Anuj
He had to
Sharan
finish a script. Okay.
Ma'am, the story writer was lying on his table because of cold and he was so hungry and tired also.
Yes, because of cold and hunger. What is the meaning of drenched? Let me see if you remember. Old meanings.
Ma'am,
Meaning of drenched.
very good.
No, Anuj will not answer. Someone else answer. Everyone should answer. You have to be active. What is the meaning of drenched? Bhavya? Bhavya, you can hear me? Bhavya?
Ma'am, Gila.
Ma'am, to make somebody.
Soaked in water.
Anushka. Okay, Anushka, answer.
Ma'am, soaked in water.
Shaked in water.
Ma'am, drenched मतलब ना.
हाँ, soaked in water. Soak.
Ma'am, soaked in water.
Okay, Supriya, tell me the meaning of slumber. Supriya? Supriya, you can hear
Sleep.
me?
Sleep.
No, I asked
Sleep.
Supriya. Only few students answer. What about rest? Supriya, you can hear me? Do you join the classes and go away somewhere? Hello?
Oh,
Then
ma'am.
why? Okay.
क्या
anyone
होगा?
answer? Anyone
Sleep.
answer?
Ma'am, sleep.
Slumber.
Sleep. Ma'am,
Yes.
sleep.
Slumber means to sleep. You make a target that from every chapter you have to learn at least 10 new vocabulary. You want to improve your English? All of you, do you want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
improve your English?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to work on it. So from every chapter you have to learn at least 10 new words. And have you seen the 12th result of our school?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the topper?
Topper is from our school.
Hitesh Anand.
Hitesh.
Ma'am, the school
Yes.
topper is from.
You know his percentage?
Yes, ma'am.
98.6.
98.6. Topper of Patna. Huh? Will you take forward the glorious tradition of the school? Huh? Will you take it forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will try, ma'am.
Okay, yes, if you try and if you
Work.
if you put in your 100% effort, then you certainly can. Okay. So how did, okay, we'll move further. So swallow, will you not stay with me one night longer? So the second night also the swallow agreed to the request of the prince. The second night also he agreed to the request of the prince and he stayed, and then he helped the playwright, the poor playwright who did not have money to buy firewood to warm his house. He did not have money to satisfy his hunger. And the prince gave one of the sapphires from his eyes to help that poor playwright, the writer. Now, the swallow was satisfied. He had helped two needy persons. So he said, I have come to bid you goodbye. Say goodbye to you, he cried. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you not stay with me one night longer? Now the prince sees one more needy person. तीसरी रात उसने फिर किसी एक जरूरतमंद person को देखा. It is winter, answered the swallow, and the snow will soon be here. The swallow says that, understand my problem also. It is winter, and soon what will happen? It will be snowing. In Egypt, the sun is warm on the green palm trees. So why does the swallow want to migrate to Egypt? What is the reason? Hello? Tell me the reason why the
He was
swallow.
looking for in Egypt.
Why? Advit? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Question.
Why does the swallow want to migrate to Egypt?
Ma'am, he was waited for in
Satyam
Egypt
answer.
by his friends.
Satyam, you answer now.
मैम क्वेश्चन रिपीट कीजिएगा ना.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन है कि why did the swallow want to migrate to Egypt?
Ma'am, in Egypt there was so much poor persons. That's why the
No,
मतलब
ma'am.
इसीलिए
May I
घूमना
answer?
चाहता था.
नहीं, ऐसी ये तो नहीं कहा.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay,
Ma'am, because all
Shreyasi,
his
you
friends.
answer. Shreyasi, you can hear me?
Ma'am, Swallow wanted to travel to Egypt because his friends has gone to Egypt 6 weeks earlier.
That is one of the reason. But what is the real?
There was very cold.
Yes.
It was very cold.
In
Yes,
Egypt, the
yes,
sun
yes.
is warm.
This
So
is
cold.
the reason. Okay, Pragya answer.
Ma'am, in Egypt, the sun is warm, and here it is too cold.
Yes, in Egypt the sun is warm. In the kingdom of the happy prince, the weather is cold, and soon it will be colder. And the swallow's body is not adapted to tolerate that much cold. He may die of cold if he remains there. So he says that I have to go to Egypt because there the weather is warm. On the green palm trees, and the crocodiles lie in the mud and look lazily about them. What do the crocodiles do? They lie in the mud and look lazily. In the square below, write the meaning of square. Square means open space inside the town. Open space. Here the meaning of square is different. Square below. Square means open space. Square means what?
Open space.
Open space in town.
Open space in the town. So and in the next class I'm going to ask the word meanings, not from only a few. All of you should be prepared. There stands a little match girl. She has let her matches fall in the gutter. The happy prince sees another person in trouble. Who is this? She is a small girl. Match girl means the girl who sells matches, matchboxes. And what is the problem with this little match girl? Her matches have fallen in the gutter and they are all spoiled. By mistake, what has happened? By mistake, all her matchboxes have fallen in the gutter. And now she cannot sell the matches. And if she goes home without money, father will beat her. Father had told her to sell the matchboxes and bring money. She's a poor girl. So she has to do child labor. She has to sell matches to earn money. And what problem has come before her? Her matchboxes have fallen in the gutter, and if she will not sell those and take money to her father will beat her, and she is crying. So she is crying. She has no shoes. And this match girl, she is so poor that she does not even have shoes to wear. She is so poor that she doesn't even have shoes. She has no shoes or stockings. Stockings means socks, the thin socks that stick to the skin. Stockings. And her little hair is bare. What is the meaning of bare? What is the meaning of bare?
Uncovered.
Yes, very good. Uncovered.
Uncovered.
So this poor girl, she doesn't even have.
I'm not covered.
Uncovered, bare. pluck out my other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her. Now this happy prince, he wants to help this poor little girl, match girl, whose matchboxes have fallen in the gutter, and she's crying because if she does not take money, father will beat her. So the happy prince says that, take out the other sapphire from my eyes and give it to this poor little match girl. Now one sapphire has already been taken out to help the playwright, the hungry playwright. And only one sapphire is left in his eyes. But I cannot pluck out your eye. You would be quite blind. Now the swallow does not want to do it. Why? Because if she will take out the other sapphire, the happy prince will become blind. You would be quite blind then. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. Now the prince knows that if he will request the swallow, she will not obey him. So he has to give order, because the swallow is also very kind-hearted, lot of sympathy for the prince. She does not want to make the prince blind. दूसरी सफायर भी अगर वो प्रिंस के आंख से निकाल लेगा तो क्या होगा? प्रिंस जो है वो ब्लाइंड हो जाएंगे. And the swallow does not want to make the prince blind, so she hesitates. The swallow hesitates, but then the prince gives the order, do as I command you. So he plucked out the prince's other eye and darted. Darted means moved quickly. Darted, rushed. Darted means rushed or move quickly. So she moved quickly towards the match girl with the sapphire. He swooped. Swoop means fly low. Fly low, नीचे उड़ना. He swooped past the match girl and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. Where did he put the jewel? Where did he put the sapphire? On the palm. You know the meaning of palm?
Hatheli.
Hatheli.
Yes, just now we came across this word where it had a different meaning. The palm trees. तार के पेड़ जो लंबे से पेड़ होते हैं. But here palm means the palm of the hand. What a lovely bit of glass, cried the little girl. Now this little girl, she does not know that this is sapphire. What does she think it is? She thinks it is a bit of glass. So this little girl, she did not know that the precious stone that was slipped into her hands was sapphire. She thought that it was just a piece of glass, but it was very shining, so she liked it. What a lovely bit of glass, cried the little girl, and she ran home laughing. Then the swallow came back to the prince. You are blind now. So the swallow helped the third needy person also. The first day, the first night, he helped the seamstress. The second night, he helped the poor writer, playwright. And the third night, he helped this little match girl. Now the match girl is very happy. उसको एक बहुत सुंदर सी चीज मिल गई, वो खुश हो गई. Then the swallow came back to the prince. You are blind now, he said, so I will stay with you always. Now the swallow takes a decision. What is this decision? That
She will stay with Prince always.
yes, she will not go to Egypt. She will risk her own life. She will risk her own life for the prince, because the prince needs someone. Now he has become blind. He needs someone's help. So the swallow decides that now he will not migrate to Egypt. He will stay there. He is ready to risk his life. He knows that in the cold weather, he may not survive. His body may not tolerate the extreme cold. उसे पता है कि बहुत रिस्की है वहां रहना. But the love for the prince prevents the swallow from going to the love for the prince prevents the swallow from going to Egypt. No, little swallow, said the prince, you must go away to Egypt. Now the prince is not a selfish person. He does not want to make the swallow stay at the risk of her life. So she said, no, you have to go to Egypt. No, I will stay with you always. But the swallow did not agree. And he slept at the prince's feet. So the prince told the swallow to go away to Egypt, but the swallow did not listen, and he said, no, now you have become blind. I cannot leave you in this condition. I will remain with you always. All the next day he sat on the prince's shoulder and told him stories of what he had seen in strange lands. And what did the swallow do? It sat on the shoulder of the prince. उसके कंधे पे बैठ के उसको बहुत सारी कहानियां सुनाई. अब swallow था तो वो the swallow used to travel a lot. He used to visit very different strange places. And this swallow, he tells the prince stories about the strange lands. Because when he was migrating to Egypt, he crossed many different lands. And he told the prince the stories about those lands. Dear little swallow, said the prince, you tell me of marvelous things. Marvelous means?
Wonderful.
आश्चर्यजनक.
Wonderful. So you tell me wonderful things, but more marvelous than anything is the suffering of men and women. So the swallow was telling the prince very beautiful, very nice stories, wonderful stories. But the prince did not have much interest in these stories. इन कहानियों में प्रिंस को बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. What was he interested in? What was more marvelous to him? The suffering of men and women. That was his priority. You know priority? जो
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. प्राथमिकता.
प्राथमिकता जो हमें सबसे पहले करना चाहिए. तो स्वैलो जो है वो प्रिंस को बहुत मजेदार कहानियां सुना रहा था, लेकिन प्रिंस को इस सब में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. He was not much interested in these beautiful stories because his motto, his aim was to end the sorrow and suffering of the people of his city. There is no mystery so great as misery. What is the greatest secret of life? The greatest secret of life is sorrow, misery, sorrow,
Unhappy.
sorrow, sadness. So what is the biggest secret of life? It is how to end the sorrow of the people. That is the fly over my city, little swallow, and tell me what you see there. तो प्रिंस ने swallow से कहा, I am not much interested in your stories. I am interested in the sufferings of my people. You go to my town and you tell me what is the condition of my town, what you see there. Now the prince is blind. He himself cannot see what is happening in his city. So he takes the help of the swallow. He says to the swallow, fly in my town and tell me what you see there. So the swallow flew over the great city and saw the rich making merry. Merry means what? M-E-R-R-Y, merry. What's the meaning of merry? You wish Merry Christmas? What does it mean?
Ma'am, happy.
Yes, very good.
Happy.
Happy. Yes, happy. Merry means happy. Merry means happy. So here the writer is pointing out the class difference. What is the class difference? You see the rich are leading a happy life. And what about the beggars? They are sitting at the gates. So here, what is the writer highlighting? The class difference. Difference between the rich and the poor. What happened in this lockdown? Many of the laborers, daily wage laborers.
Ma'am, again repeat.
What happened? Hello? Yes? You want to say something?
Ma'am, wonderful का meaning?
Wonderful का बहुत अद्भुत.
Marvelous.
अद्भुत.
मैम अनोखा कह सकते हैं.
अनोखा भी कह सकते हैं. अनोखा.
मैम चमत्कारी. मैम चमत्कारी.
चमत्कारी दूसरा चीज हो गया, वो मिराकुलस हो गया. चमत्कारिक मतलब मिराकुलस. वंडरफुल, अद्भुत, अनोखा, ये सब. तो here the writer is pointing out the class difference. What are the rich doing? They are leading a happy life. What about the beggars? They are sitting at the gates. Beggars are leading a difficult life. He flew into the dark lanes. Lane means?
Gully.
Gully. Lane means street. He flew into the dark lanes. Lanes means street. And saw the white faces of starving children. What is the meaning of starving?
Hungry.
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 Hungry. Starving children. Starvation मतलब होता है भूखमरी. Children looking out listlessly. What is the meaning of listlessly?
Having no energy.
Having low.
Having
Without
no energy.
Without energy. So what did the swallow see? The swallow saw that the rich were leading a happy life. What about the poor beggars? They were begging at the gates, and there were many children who did not have any food to eat. White faces of starving children. What did he see? He saw the pale white face. Why were the faces white? Because they were suffering from anemia. जो लोग एनीमिक होते हैं उनका कैसा रंग होता है? एकदम pale white. So these children also have white faces because of malnutrition. You understand malnutrition?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
न्यूट्रिशन की कमी से.
मैम कमी के कारण मैम.
You must have studied in your
Yes, ma'am.
malnutrition. Lack of nutrition.
मैम कुपोषण.
कुपोषण. Hindi word है कुपोषण. So
yes,
the children, they had white faces and they were without any energy, looking at the black streets कि कोई आके हमारी मदद करे. Under the archway. Archway means semicircular structure.
Semicircle. Semicircle structure.
Semicircular
Structure.
तो कहीं जो है बीच रोड, दो तरफ रोड रहता है तो बीच में जो है कुछ स्ट्रक्चर बना रहता है. जैसे हमारा वो बेली रोड में पिलर्स हैं. तो हियर they are having the archway of a bridge. Two little boys were lying in each other's arms to try and keep themselves warm. And who could be seen under the bridge, archway of the bridge? Two little boys. Now the weather is cold and the boys don't even have proper clothing. The weather is cold and the boys don't have proper clothes. How are they warming themselves? By holding each other tightly, lying in each other's arms. So these two little boys, they were under the archway of the bridge, and these two little boys did not even have proper clothes to wear in the cold weather. So how they were warming themselves? By lying in each other's arms, body warmth. How hungry we are, they said. So the problem of these two boys is not only the clothes, they don't even have food to eat. Extreme poverty. Extreme poverty they are facing. No food to eat, no clothes to wear. How hungry we are, they said. You must not lie here, shouted the watchman. अब वो ब्रिज के नीचे खड़े हैं, उसमें भी वॉचमैन को प्रॉब्लम है. That is a public place. So what did the watchman tell the boys? He shouted at them, you cannot take shelter here. वहां भी वो लोग नहीं जा सकते हैं. Shouted the watchman, and they wandered out into the rain. Wandered means walk here and there, भटकना, यहाँ वहाँ भटकना. So the watchman shouted at the two boys. The watchman scolded the two boys that you cannot stand here. And the poor boys, they had to move away from that shelter also. बारिश हो रही थी, तो बारिश से बचने के लिए थोड़ा देर ब्रिज के नीचे खड़े हो गए. But the watchman shouted at them. So poor boys, they had to move away from there also. और फिर जो है उनको बारिश में भीगना पड़ा. What a worst condition. So poor condition. Then he flew back and told the prince what he had seen. Now all these scenes that he saw, the poverty of the country, the beggars begging at the gates, the boys having no clothes to wear, having no food to eat, cannot even take shelter under the bridge. The watchman scolded and made them move away from there. He told the prince all this. Then he flew back and told the prince what he had seen. I am covered with fine gold, said the prince. You must take it off, leaf by leaf. So now the precious stones have gone. Now what is left with the prince? The golden leaves. Now what are left? The golden leaves with which his body is covered with. So he says to the swallow that what is this what is the use of this golden leaf on my body? If I give it to the poor, at least gold is a precious metal. They can sell it and they can lead a good life.
Time is over now.
Yes, time is over. So we will continue tomorrow. Okay.
What
bye.
you will teach tomorrow?
Let us see. I may teach grammar or I may continue.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye all of you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yes,
Have a nice day.
yes. Bye all of you. But be prepared. If I teach the story, I will ask you all the questions from what I have taught today. And all of you should be able to answer. Only a few of you answer. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.